To the best of your recollection, what were the last words the missing person spoke to you?
I don't remember.
You don't remember.
No.
To the best of your knowledge, did the missing person ever express a desire to hurt him or herself? If so, why?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever expressed a desire to hurt yourself? If so, why?
No.
To the best of your knowledge, did the missing person withdraw more than $1,000 from his or her bank within 30 days prior to their disappearance? If so, what for?
Evie's account is connected to ours. She didn't withdraw any money.
Did you withdraw more than $1,000 from your bank within 30 days prior to the disappearance? If so, what for?
Yes.
If so, what for?
I was gonna leave John. You're surprised? Because we seem so happy. My grandmother was born here. She lived here all her life. She used to tell us kids this place is chosen. The good Lord pointed his finger down on the final day of creation and said, "You, the Garden of Eden." We didn't believe her, but she said there was a way to prove it. A way to make your wishes come true. You take a bird, you put it in a box, and you bury it. Anywhere in the woods is fine. And you wait. You wait 3 days, you come back, dig it up, and if it's alive, right then is when you make your wish. Little girls believe all sorts of things, but I knew pretend when I heard it. Birds living in the ground for 3 days is pretend. Making wishes is pretend. The good Lord is pretend. And then on October 14th, people went away from everywhere except here. That was real. That happened. My grandma had been dead for 10 years. She was right. This place was chosen.